So hi you guys, my name is Ganita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I am doing good too. Today the video is not going to be a sit-down video and it's going to be a vlog. Thought why not let's vlog a day in my life. So if you don't know that I am a CS student, then just go and watch my first intro video. Okay, I'll link it down below. Just go and watch it. Basically, I will intro myself in this video also. So my name is Ganita Singh and I am a CS student. I have finished my CPT. Now I am doing my inter. Because of this pandemic, I have not written my exam. So I hopefully write my exams within November. And yeah, so you guys are going to travel with me for the whole day. So basically you're going to see that what a CS student and an YouTuber, budding YouTuber. I have a lot of the work to do. I have so many backlogs, not in studies, in YouTube, because basically I have to upload my video by Friday. I did not upload on Friday. Today is Saturday. I have to upload this vlog by Saturday or by Sunday. I hope I will upload this vlog on Sunday. So basically I was not having any idea to do a pre-video for this vlog because I thought let's do a vlog. But one of my friend told that it is your first vlog, you have to do a pre-video and you can upload it on Reels, so it will get few engagement. And I thought why not, it is a good idea. And you guys, announcement is one of my friend is helping me to sort out about YouTube. So thank you. So I was doing all alone, like I used to schedule, I used to plan, I used to talk to myself, I used to discuss everything by myself. Now I have my friend to sort out everything with me. She's helping me with my YouTube. Basically she's helping me with the scheduling and planning and discussing with YouTube. So huge shout out to my best friend. So thank you. I have to mention this because she was very voluntarily coming and telling me that her suggestions. Everyone have told me their own suggestion, but she took a hour. She took literally 2 hours or 1 hour. I don't know how many hours, but we talked in phone. She discussed everything. She has noted everything in my video, and she told me. And one of my sister also told her opinion on my videos. I thought I will share with you guys, but not in this vlog. I'll share with you guys in my another video. We have been planning for that too. No, I have to basically wash my face because you can see the oil in my face. So these are the natural oils which I am blessed for having. So okay guys, I'll go on. Okay guys, I'll go and wash my face and brush my teeth. Okay, before going I have to tell you guys that you should never and ever drink coffee or something else in your stomach. Eh? Who will drink coffee in your stomach? Oh my. So basically you should not drink coffee or something in your empty stomach. It will harm your whole body and your stomach. You have to drink water. I basically woke up at 4 a.m. I did not shoot anything at early morning because there was no sunlight. Okay, because there was no sunlight and I'm running out of money to buy a huge lights, so I did not vlog it. Okay, when the sun rises I vlogged it, so don't mistake me. I drank a glass of water early morning itself, and then only I took coffee. So don't do that mistake, guys. Don't take coffee or something in your empty stomach. It will hurt your stomach and it will harm your body. So don't do that. This is my advice from me to you guys. I hope you will take this advice. Okay, I'll go and wash my face and I will brush my teeth and I'll come back within 15 minutes. Okay, I need 15 minutes, literally I need 15 minutes at least, so I will see you after 15 minutes. Okay, start our day. So yeah, so don't mind me because I look like a potato because the angle of the camera is wrong, you guys. Okay, wait, I'll show you. See, now I look good. Okay, now I look so good, so gorgeous. Huge mess, and I have to clean it. If I'm not cleaning it, I'm going to end up being in this room forever. And I will clean my room. I will shoot that too. I'll put it on time lapse. Don't worry, it's not going to be huge. So I'll see you guys after I clean my room, because I can't talk while I am doing something. I'll mess it up. So I will clean my room and I'll see you guys. Finally, I have done with my room, so I thought I'll take a little break before I start studying. I started studying at 4 o'clock and I took break at 6:30. So I was shooting for my vlog at 6:30. Now it is 7. Wait, I'll show you. So it is 7:40. So I'll start by 8:30. I'm just watching how to edit a vlog or a video. So basically, I don't know so much of editing, so I have to see few videos that how they edit, and I'm going to see that. But before that, I think I have to drink something because I'm so hungry. I woke up at 4 and I have drank only water and coffee, not anything else. I think I have to take juice, and then we will watch this editing video, and we will start by 8 o'clock or 8:15 around to study. Basically, I ran out of storage, so the video got cut. So this green color juice is nothing but amla juice, helps for vitamin C, and ABC juice is good for your skin, and palak juice is good for your immunity. During COVID we need immunity, so I have been taking this juice for more than 6 months. That is why my skin is working good. When I stop this juice, I see a huge difference in my skin, so I'm not going to stop this. So you can see that it's already 7:55. So I have not finished my juice and I have not seen any of the video. So I will see few videos of editing, and then I will finish this juice and I'll then catch up you guys. I have finished my video. I have finished watching the editing videos, and I have found a beautiful app by watching YouTube videos. I don't know that why I did not watch this before. So I have seen a beautiful app, and I hope that I will make a change in my editing style from this vlog. So yeah, keep on watching my channel that you can see development in my editing, because this app is so good, you guys. Already time, you can see that it is 8:24. I think that I will not be finishing this juice. If I will take at least 10 o'clock to finish this juice. So I will go and start to study, and I'll finish the juice by side, because if I keep delaying studying, I know I will make the whole day waste by not studying. So basically, I can't shoot that much while I'm studying, because I usually study with my phone, and I'm taking this video also with my phone. So I will see you guys when I study when I'll do revisions. I will go and study, and I'll meet you guys in few hours while I take my breakfast. So yeah. So the time is now 9:50. Now I'm planning to eat something because I'm so hungry, and my grandma, she made me this breakfast. So I will eat breakfast and I will drink juice. I did not drink it, so I have to drink juice, and then I'm going to watch some fun vlogs. So I'm having upma and I'm having tomato chutney. This is two different tomato chutney, and this is made by me, and some nuts. So I will be eating and I will be watching YouTube, some vlogs, random vlogs. So guys, I know you can see a huge difference in my face. Like, I slept for 2 hours, and it's okay, fine, okay, because I used to sleep at evening like 2 to 4, but now I slept at 12 to 2. It's okay, fine, because my brother called me. I was talking to him and I slept. I'm so hungry right now. I have to eat lunch, and my grandma made lunch for me. She's so sweet, you guys. She made everything for me. So I'll let you know what it is. This is my lunch, and this is a variety rice. This one, and this is papad, and this is what is that? Lady's finger. Okay, so this is lady's finger. So now I will eat my lunch, and I'll come back so that we can study again. பையன் தான் சொன்னா நான் சொல்றேன். டாக்டர்லாம் என்ன This vlog was just a normal vlog. This is what exactly goes in my life. I have added some element over there and here, that's it, but this is what exactly my life goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I will do better in my next vlog. So this is how my life goes when I study. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be uploading so many vlogs, and this is my first vlog. If there is some mistake in my vlog, just forgive me. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog, guys. I will meet you guys in my next upcoming video. Until then, stay positive, stay happy, and stay safe with your loved ones. And more power from me to you guys. Bye.